What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I'm going to share two methods to get amazing discount on Temu.com after following this video. So what you need to do is, before watching this is the method number 1 and which I'm going to share you right now. So what you need to do is simply click the link in the description. After that you will redirect it into this type of customized link, then select what you want to buy, then add this code on the checkout page to get 90% discount. This is method number 1, and if this method number is not working, use this method number 2 and this will definitely work for you or 100% work for you. So what you need to do is left your current Temu account and create new Temu account in other devices, for example in different mobile phone, laptop, PC or any other devices. After that you are eligible to use promo code. Okay, simply click the link in the description to create new Temu account in other devices using new email ID. Okay, you must need to create new Temu account using link in the description in other devices and using new email ID. Then select what you want to buy, then add this code on the checkout page to get 90% discount. Go try this. If method number 1 is not working, method number 2 will definitely work for you. And subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.